So this is the question number 14, guys, and in this question number 14 we are going to solve convert a string to uppercase. Okay, if any string is there, if you wanted to convert that string into uppercase, I'm going to explain it how you can write that code for that. And so the step by step actually explained, and I divided in the fourth section. So in every section, step by step, I'm going to explain to you all, okay, how this code is working and how you can solve that question in while using JavaScript, okay, in code. So in the step one, I define the input string. In this step, you define the input string that you wanted to convert to uppercase. In this example, we are using the string hello world. Okay, the step 2 we are doing is initialize an empty string to uppercase result. Okay, so here you create an empty string, uppercase string, where the uppercase result will be stored. Now the step 3, for in step 3 iterate through the character in the input string. So what we are doing, we use a for loop to iterate through the character in the input string. In each iteration, we extract the current character and its character code using input string I and input string dot character code 80. Okay, I respectively. Now we check if the character is lower case later by comparing its character code, okay, from 97 to 122. Okay, character code greater than or equal to 97 and character code is equal to less than or equal to 122. Okay, lowercase later or not, check if the character is lowercase or lowercase later or not, right? So what we are going to, we check if the character is the lowercase later by comparing its character code 97 to 122 or the character code for lowercase letters. Again, if it's lowercase letter, we convert it to uppercase by subtracting 32 from the character code and then converting it back to a character using string dot from character code. Okay, right? Again, minus 32, right? This is the thing we have to do. Again, finally, we append the character to the upper string. Okay, now come to the step 4, right? So what happening in there? In this step, in this final step, we use console.log to print the converted uppercase string, and when you run this code, you will get output like uppercase string hello world, right? This is the thing you will get. Okay, so that's the thing, man. So now let's meet in the question number 15. Okay, so I'm going to explain some of the question also there, and it is also in a very easy step I will explain question number 15 the way I explained question number 14 and last 14 question which I explained till now. And you can also watch some of the video which I uploaded before this 14 question. That also is very easy, palindrome and lower cases, upper cases, and some string question I solved. So you can also watch that video. So guys, let's meet in the question number 15, guys.